Next, we are removing the 10mm off of the alternator. This is your power. We don't have a battery in this truck. The battery has not been in this truck for a very long time. 2 weeks since I last moved it. Actually, I dragged it out with the backhoe. Alright, that's off. Put that there. Alright, next is we're going to be removing this plug. Oh, there it goes. We got that. Next, we're going to grab our 8mm and our wrench. We're going to take off this right here. This is the intake. When you do something like that, you always want to grab the new alternator and compare. So the back looks good, the back looks the same, kinda, yeah, that looks the same. Alright, so now the front looks the same, kinda. One spins, the other one spins too. Yeah, I don't know, we'll find out soon. Alright, let's put this bad boy in. So I just reconnected the plug and we're going to put on the charging wire. Okay, so now we have to deal with the unexpected problem here. What's going on with this thing? That I've located another tensioner. Here's what we got. This one is a little bit different, but it still does the same job. Let's see and see if I make it work. Now I'm not really good at all these swirlies on the belt, but here we are. We're gonna do our best. Now that we have that figured out, let's go get the battery. So here we are hooking up the battery. It uses a 5/16 wrench. All the cat eyes do. Now I got that tight. I'm gonna put on the negative here. Oh yeah. Ah, there's a wasper. What's going on? Okay, we're gonna do our first start.